Good morning. Are you Warren Mills?
Good morning, yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Mills, in cause number 25 DCCR 0082, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of assault.
This is already a high-stakes charge. Assaulting a peace officer is something courts treat very seriously, and it almost always means real prison time is on the table.
On a peace officer. That's from November 19th of 2024. What that means is if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment is between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand that part, yes.
Okay, and I have a plea bargain here on the computer that you've signed with Mr. Parker. This shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for an 8-year term in prison.
Here's the big decision moment. Take 8 years guaranteed or risk up to 20 at trial. That's the kind of gamble that can define your entire future.
Every right to reject that and have your case go to trial and let a jury decide. I just want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are if you go to trial, what your options are if you wanted to plea.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand all of that?
I understand.
And do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor, ma'am. I wanted to reject it, and then I wanted to see, at that point in time, because I was, I was incompetent at one point.
Okay.
I was out of my mind, which I have a history of it before.
Okay.
Mental health.
Okay.
Now he's bringing up mental health, and while that can influence a case, it doesn't automatically excuse the charge. The court still focuses on actions and evidence.
But I just wanted to say on docket for everybody that in my mind, in my heart, my mind was so I would never hit office.
Well, so
just the situation that I'm in.
The allegations allege alcohol and drugs.
and is there a video?
That's what I was asking. I wanted to.
Hold on.
Oh, yes, sir.
I didn't see a video on Discovery. There may be, but I don't.
I have
didn't see one.
a thumb drive in my file, Your Honor.
Let me do this. So before we move your case to the trial docket, I'm going to let Mr. Parker have some time.
This is a turning point. Video evidence can completely flip a case. One clip could push someone toward a plea or give them confidence to fight.
To get a copy of that video, and then he can come show it to you. You may not remember everything, but maybe that video will help you understand what happened and then see where we get from there, okay?
Thank you.
If you still want to go to trial after you see the video,
Excuse me, ma'am. Your Honor, I really don't want to go to trial.
well, that's what,
It's kind of,
I want you to see everything. I'll give them some time to get that taken care of, and then when you come back, we'll see what you want to do, whether it's a plea or a trial, okay?
okay, thank you.
All right, you can go back with the
Can I
bailiff.
ask you one more question, you mind?
Yes, sir.
In a situation, did probation ever come across the table?
That's between your lawyer and the district attorney's attorney. It's whether or not they offer
I
it.
wouldn't, okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm just going to delete the rejection if
Okay.
it's we'll do it again later if that's the case.
Okay.
All right. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Are you Samuel Jones?
Yes,
And Mr. Jones, in cause number 25 DCCR 0043, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of burglary of a habitation.
New defendant, and the stakes just jumped. Burglary of a home, combined with prior convictions, means this case is about to get very serious very fast.
That is from November 21st of 2024. Your indictment alleges that you were previously convicted of fraudulent use or possession of identifying information, a second-degree felony, October 20th of 2021. And after that was final, you were convicted of theft of mail, a third-degree felony, December 12th of 2022. What that means is that if you go to trial in this case and you're found guilty, you would be considered a habitual offender, which means your minimum punishment if you're found guilty and those prior offenses are true is 25 years in prison up to 99 years or life. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
And I need you to answer yes or no, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And I have here on the computer a plea bargain rejection that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a 20-year term in prison. You have every right to reject that and have a jury decide if you're guilty and what your punishment would be if they find you guilty. I just want to make sure you understand what the possible... Okay, I just want to let me finish. I want to make sure you understand your consequences possibly and what your options are.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to reject that offer and have both cases. And so you also have, and let me go through this too just for the record, in cause number 25 DCCR 0232, you're charged with burglary of a building, a state jail felony. and that is from January 5th of 2025. I'm assuming those same prior offenses are alleged in that one, which means in that case, if you're found guilty and those priors are true, the range of punishment in that case would be between 2 years and up to 20 years. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. And you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial?
Yes.
All right.
And I like to indict everybody who have witness. I like to indict everybody who caused this case, signed the case.
Okay, so-
Fingerprints, evidence and everything. I want everything to be,
He's
everybody
complained,
indicted.
he's complained about some charges that other counties have explained that
Yeah,
doesn't have anything to do with
I'm
here.
saying-
So,
And he
so
wants
here,
everybody here, and I told him everybody will have to be here at trial whenever.
yeah, I mean, whatever the district,
Well, I
listen,
want to let you know, I'm 17 code, my code is 774 is my badge number. 477, Barras, Bear County, Patrol Detention Center. I'm a
Okay.
private detective and everything,
okay.
private investigator.
All right. So here's what we're going to do before we move any further with this is I'm going to, Mr. Jones, I'm going to have someone talk to you to make sure you're competent to stand trial, get all your history, make sure we're all good before we go to trial.
Yeah.
When they visit with you at the jail, either in person or on the computer, you need to make sure and cooperate with them, and then we can move your case forward, okay?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
All right, go back with the bailiff, please. Everybody keeps, y'all just wait, I'm gonna get everybody. All right, are you Evan Bowden? Mr. Bowden, you're charged in each of your cases with evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, and what is the announcement?
Your Honor, this is the case where he also has a pending motion to revoke probation out of Chambers County. I've been trying to work something out with him. The prosecutor handling that case is Eric Carcerano, who's currently in Austin for kind of legislative issue right now. I call it.
This is,
I know, but if I plea him out to this, Your Honor, that's automatic revocation over there, and he's gonna get the back. I know it doesn't affect this court, but it does.
I mean, you've been
me.
on the case since June of last year.
I know.
So here's what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reset it 2 weeks.
Oh, that's fine. Should be
And
fine. Yeah.
that is the final reset.
Like I said, there is-
Hold on, it's either going to trial or it's going to get taken care of on that day.
So I'm saying the offer that the state's made, we want to accept. We like it. It's great. It's just a matter of I don't want to do something here that's going to automatically send him up there.
Well, there's
Once I get
been,
the-
I'm sure he hasn't been in Austin this whole time.
No,
so-
it's just been since
all
our
right.
last resetting.
All right,
So,
you can go back with the
yeah.
bailiff.
Yeah, we'll get something done in that.